Just once, I finally find a way to make it right. Make the magic last for more than just one night. Just once. I'm gonna rock these today. Hey YouTube, what's up? How are you? How you doing? Put on my Ray-Bans today. Today is Boxing Day. Today is not Boxing Day. Today is the 27th, but they say today is Boxing Day. Maybe should I rock my Michael Kors? Not gonna be good with this. This now brown. Nah, I think I should go with the Ray-Bans. I wanna go to the supermarket. Don't put the supermarket up now. And buy some some bread. I'm out of bread and peanut butter. I should buy a whole heap peanut butter. You don't want it to go to waste. You know what I mean? I haven't played this in a very long while. I watch videos on it though. A whole lot of money. I don't even use it like that. I'm gonna start streaming soon. It's my laptop. Look at my laptop case. It got two sides of the brain on it. Which side is the left side? I'm more of a left side person. Yeah, I'm great at math. I'm not a right sider. That's great at art and all of that. Which side are you? Are you creative or are you a practical? Mathematic type person, calculation type person. What are you? What are you? You good at communicating? The right side? Yeah, you wanna see my other colognes? I got how many colognes? I got 5. Hold on, let me go with them. Okay, so I need some new colognes, you know what I mean? I need some new ones. This is a Savage. This is really nice one. Probably this is the best one. I really like this too. This one it's a different type of scent. It kind of subtle but nice. This is probably my favorite. Or probably this one. I don't know. The two same one. This one is finishing. This one is almost half. It kind of smell different. This one have the more scent, and this have a look a fruity smell. You know what I mean? Look a sweety fruity smell. Like maybe this one you da wear for a date. If you're going on a date, this one you da wear if you're going on a night out. You know what I mean? Yeah, the black one for a night out. This one is for the ladies. You heard me? Yeah. What are these two? This one is for probably a night out too. Night out. This is probably for day flex. Day flex, you know what I mean? If you like a day flex, no. So I just use this one. I go up on a day flex. This I really use this one, but kind of finish. I think I got this one first. Versace. I'm not gonna buy back another one of this. Probably not. I don't really like it like that. What it is? You heard me? This one, where you read this one? This one is for day flex too. Day flex? You can wear it for a day flex. You can wear it if you're going on a date as well. I don't think it's a night out. So these are the night outs. Probably you could even wear this one on a night out too if you're feeling like it. You know what I mean? These are probably for dates. You heard me? Yeah. So those are my colognes. And you see my glasses. I have these glasses. I don't know why I have so much black glasses, but I bought this on Amazon, probably $20 when I was getting it. I was just rocking it for rocking its sake, but and then I got this one. This one I really like. This one is more, you know what I mean? Hey baby, what's up? Type of glasses, you know what I mean? This one is do you need a doctor? And I probably need to clean it off, but do you need a doctor? I love a doctor, baby. Specialize in the affairs of the heart. So call me if you need me, okay? Yeah, and this is the Ray-Bans. I never really wear this. I gonna wear. It kind of give a different look from the other ones. It kind of block out the light differently. You know what I mean? Because it's more expensive, these ones are cheap. And this is the Michael Kors. I don't know if it's more expensive than the Ray-Ban or what, but Michael Kors, kind of like this. My friend got me into glasses one time. I bought one of his glasses, and I was like, bro, this is a vibe, dog. Come on, get some glasses. So I get some glasses, and they're okay. Sorry, so I'm gonna go now to the supermarket. Yeah, I should be vlogging more. I should be streaming. Been lazy, to be honest. If I'm being honest with you. Today is the day after Christmas. Today is the 27th. For Christmas, I just watched some Christmas movie. I made dinner by myself and sit here. I link up one of my friends. I could have linked up some of my other friends, but it was kind of far away in Red Hills. I'm not trying to go to Red Hills. I wasn't trying to go to Red Hills, so I just chilled at home and I watched some Christmas movies. Yeah, which one of them? Knives Out. Knives Out is a good movie. If you want to go watch a good movie, watch Knives Out. If you want to watch a good series, I was watching How to Get Away with Murder. That's a good series if you want to go watch those as well. You should leave a like, comment, subscribe. I need to be consistent. I need to keep posting. Yeah, so I'm going to start doing that now. I need to stream as well and do all of that stuff. I bought this on Amazon. It's just a crystal like a little thing, but I like it. It's kind of beautiful. It's probably like, how much money? Like $25 for this. It's like an art piece with a tree in it, and they have some crystals and whatever like. It's really nice. I got 3 of them. I got this one as well. And I got another one over there. Let me show you the bottom. You kind of look like it's not focusing. It's focusing in my eyes because I got the eye out of focus on it. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? Go back to my eyes. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, I wonder if the supermarket closed today. Because them said today a Boxing Day. I said the insurance place right there. Like right across the road from where we live. And the insurance place closed. So maybe the supermarket closed. I don't know. If them close them now, I make no money. Maybe I go to the gas station and buy one more and buy it. And I might probably sell bread at the gas station. Trouble. Bitch. Yes, I got what I wanted. I made it home. So hey YouTube, so Boxing Day. Today's Boxing Day. Today's when they're celebrating Boxing Day because they don't celebrate holidays and Christmas, right? On weekends. They don't celebrate holidays on weekends, so it's gonna pass over to Monday. So Monday was Christmas, they say. And it's just for workers still. It's just for workers. For everybody, Christmas is the 25th. But they give people the day off, I guess. For Monday for Christmas, which is Boxing Day, and Tuesday for Boxing Day, which is today. Tuesday? Today or when? Today or Tuesday? Yeah, today or Tuesday. Alright, so Boxing Day, if you didn't know, for those who didn't know, Boxing Day is about boxing. Putting presents in boxes. Like these. Take up a box. Like putting presents in boxes. That's what Boxing Day is about. All along I thought Boxing Day was about the fist fighting sport. I think that was the day that it was invented, but it wasn't. It's not about that. It's about boxing presents. I'm 27 and I'm just learning that yesterday on Boxing Day, December 26th. And I wanted to share that with you because maybe you don't know and you know something, you learned something new today from me. It's about boxing presents for children. That's what the holiday is all about. It's not about the fist fighting.